Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a trapezoid in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and select this insert option. Here you will find this drawing option and select new option and drawing pad already opening. Now select this shape option and select this shape, and here you will find this trapezoid option. Sorry, this one. Now draw a trapezoid. Now you can change trapezoid border wide and border color. Also you can change fill color red. I'll choose gradient color, this one, and line style, this is. Now simply select save and close. A trapezoid already added. Also here you can change trapezoid shape size, increase or decrease, and move. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.